Hey, what's going on, guys? We're going into an apartment today and we got to take a look at a plugged bathtub and toilet. Apparently it was overflowing, so let's go see what we find.
Try to snake this one, but
Huh?
we tried to snake, but not going down.
Yeah. You don't know what
This
happened?
is the second time. You're the one to come here again? Before?
When was the first time? Nope.
Maybe, yeah.
Maybe John, eh?
Yeah. So we can show in the YouTube?
Yeah. You're gonna see it. Doesn't want to go. I'm wondering if...
We shut off the water because it's flooding there.
Well, there's no water?
No water because we
None
shut
at
off.
all?
So we can open up.
No, it's not clear yet.
Yeah, okay.
So many tampons. You think the plug is from here?
Yeah,
Well, what about the bathtub?
the water is going there.
So it's all one drain, right?
Yeah,
So it would be the same drain here.
maybe.
How am I going to clear the toilet? What happens when I start pulling this toilet off? Where's all the water going? On the floor. You want to clean?
No, I'm done.
You're done?
You're
Done
not
already.
cleaning.
You're done already?
Yeah, done already.
Too much water.
There you go. So, what do? We go from the place that's not going to make the most mess, right? Try going from the bathtub. If that won't clear it, then you try the next best thing, right? If this clears it, then we're good. If it doesn't, then we go upstairs and pull the toilet there. What happened? How did we get from there? What happened? How did that clear? Maybe what? Come on. Oh. You know how long I've been doing this? A long time. You know what I learned in this time? These toilets are garbage. See how they flush from the front back? Worst toilets. The worst. One of the worst.
So I can open the water now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, actually no. What's happening down on G6?
It's the same. It's not going down the water. It's flat.
Toilet and bathtub?
No, just on
Just
this side.
Just the toilet?
Yeah.
Well, that's a different situation then.
Okay. Sarado mo na.
Oh yeah.
Right? Right. What do you think?
It's good now. Because when they arrive, oh, it's a full wind going out.
Poo?
Ah,
So much poo? Look, poo in the bathtub.
yeah.
Well, that's no good. How long has this been plugged up for? What time did you guys notice this?
This afternoon.
Huh?
This afternoon.
This afternoon? That's a poop whirlpool.
Together.
How long is it going to take him to turn the water back on?
Maybe 5 minutes.
5 minutes. So water pressure no good in this building?
Not yet.
Or is it just takes time?
Yeah, it takes time.
Is there any paper towel? Toilet paper?
Yeah.
Toilet paper will work. You wanna know why I had problems with the tub? You try going through the overflow, right?
Yeah.
With this bathtub, you gotta go straight down the drain.
Yeah.
Because it goes right down. Yeah. So the overflow goes in, goes down, comes across, and then goes down. It would've, I don't even think my snake would have made it through there. But. See here? The water shut off. What you do? All right, guys, you've seen that we were able to clear that drain from the bathroom sink. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Taragna.